I'm David Keene. I'm based in Bradwell Village, Milton Keynes at Bradwell Sports and Social Club. We run an adult and junior football section. We also run a cricket team, and obviously the social club is a members only club. I'm the chairman of that, the first team football manager and part-time groundsman. Yeah, prior to getting the Iseki machine, we were at the mercy of the parish council to do our ground maintenance on the football pitch, the cricket pitch, and they'd done it at their convenience and sometimes not convenient to us because of pitch maintenance and things like that. So we wanted to obviously get the machinery. Our pitch was deemed poor by the Football Association, and as a result of that opened up some funding for us, and we were able to secure the machinery and the mower and the Quadraplay through RT Machinery through a Football Foundation grant. They recommended some tractors. They recommended the Iseki specifically because it was easy to use, low maintenance, and the costs worked out within our budget from the Football Foundation grant. We use RT Machinery for the purchasing of this. Their help in the pre-sales and the post-sales have been very good. The servicing, like I say, any little problems we've had, and we haven't had many, they take our phone calls, they send someone around if we need to, but very, very happy with the service pre and post-sales from RT Machinery. We took receipt of the machinery in March of 21, so we've had it 12 months. We use it specifically for the football pitch and the cricket outfield, the mower predominantly in the dry months. So we just started cutting those again now, and we use the Quadraplay in the winter months to break up compaction and obviously allow for drainage and quality of pitch. The machine has had no problems at all. We have the regular servicing from RT Machinery, which has been good. I'm not a mechanically minded person, but I work in an office, but I have no problems using the tractor, the machinery, which tells you how easy it is to use. So swapping the mowers and the Quadraplay has been very straightforward. The use of the machinery is very, very easy to use. It's a case of get on it and start using it. No preparation needed. We obviously maintain it with grease as we need to, as recommended by RT Machinery, but we had no problems with it. It's been very, very good. I would definitely recommend this product to certainly any sports clubs who are looking to control their own ground maintenance. It's very, very easy to use. Obviously, if there's any funding available for the sports club, that would certainly help with the cost. But certainly recommend it to any grassroots club or even a semi-professional club. I'm sure would benefit from it as well.